Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the ASUS Chromebook CX15, a lightweight 15.6 inches Chromebook built for productivity, streaming, and everyday tasks. So, should you purchase it in 2026? Let's just find that out in this video. And if you want to check the latest pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description box below. So the CX15 laptop features a 15.6 inches full HD anti-glare display, which is going to give you a bright and comfortable viewing experience. It is especially helpful during the long work sessions. The larger screen size makes multitasking easier as compared to the smaller Chromebooks. Under the hood, it runs on an Intel Celeron 94500 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage for everyday use like web browsing, Google Docs, email, YouTube, and streaming. It performs smoothly. The Chrome operating system boots in just under 10 seconds, and switching between the tabs feels very quick and responsive. The battery life is another strong point. It's easily lasts a full work or the school day on a single charge, making it great for the students or the professionals on the go. The full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad is another standout feature at this price point. If you work with the spreadsheets or numbers regularly, the extra keypad makes a difference. Plus, it meets the MIL STD 810H military grade durability standards, meaning it's built to handle the everyday bumps and the travels. So, if you need a reliable laptop for browsing, schoolwork, office tasks, and streaming, this ASUS Chromebook CX15 delivers the solid value. It's especially ideal for the students, remote workers, and anyone that is living in the Google's ecosystem. So if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.